Hello everyone. Today's story is I Spy a Lake. Author Menka Raman, illustrator Balram J. Publisher Pratham Books. A level 2 story. Now let's get started with the story. Manju and Hamid are best friends. They like to have bhaji eating contests, hang upside down from trees and play games. Today they are playing I Spy by the lake. Me first, says Manju. Manju always has to be first. Hamid doesn't mind though. I spy something green, she says. Those leaves on the tree, asks Hamid. No, the icky, sticky, stinky slime coming from that pipe. Hamid is sad. I spy something shiny, says Hamid. Those plastic bottles over there? Guesses Manju. No, these little pebbles near your feet. Hamid is sadder. I spy something white, says Manju. Those birds in the sky? Asks Hamid. Hopefully. No, the yucky foam on the water. It's making my eyes itch. Hamid is even sadder. So children, did you notice one thing in the story? That when every time Manju is spying at something, what are they finding out? They are finding something yucky. That is pollution here and there. The lake is polluted all over. The surroundings of the lake are dirty. So let's get ahead. There are only icky, titchy, sticky, stinky, yucky things near our lake, cries Hamid. All the lovely things are gone. Now Manju is sad. I spy something floating on the water, she says. What? The statue. No, cries Manju. Those ducks, see. Hamid smiles a little. Now smiles are getting back to them because they are finding good things back. How come this is possible? Those herons you saw went away when they cut down the trees. But when our school planted new ones, they came back. Hamid smiles some more. So this is the way to prevent our nature. So we must not cut more trees, and in fact we should plant more and more trees to conserve our environment. So what's next? Let's see. And remember how your Ammi and my Ma got those men to stop burning trash? It's easier to breathe now, no? Hamid nods. Hamid's smile disappears when he sees someone dumping trash by the side of the lake. So now this is the cause why the ducks would go away, and they find it out. I spy more things that need fixing. Let's go, says Hamid. So Hamid says that there are various loopholes that needs to be fixed. Thank you so much children. I hope you liked this story.